Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be drawing a ferret with my premium artist pens. We're also using a pencil for the details. This is one of the details. Roughly about here, slightly diagonal to the eye. Let's do little circle and a little wiggly line coming out of it for the ferret's nose. And the lines also don't have to be straight because we're trying to give it that realistic texture. And we're going to do the ears. The ears are the hard part, so wobbly line here. And then come, not all the way, don't start from there. I've started from there, just you don't have to. So, and then we can come down, wobbly, and then come around and make this a bit longer. And then for the other way, let's do the same. But it's going to be shorter because we're kind of looking at it from this. So if we were we normally look at it straight. But if we're not, we don't. So this is diagonal line. And then we can come around the ear, so from here pretend it's going around, then come around like that. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, just keep on going. See, here I made a bit of a mistake. And you can make your ferret's face a bit thicker because my one's got quite a thin face. Then this is for the front leg. Another one, and maybe one more on each side. And we can add little toenails like that. I've made a mistake there also, and I'm not doing the mistakes on purpose, guys. Fluffy stomach. And then the neck. Then the body part. And the feet coming out from here. And the toes. So it's kind of looking from this way, so the body is going to be try and make a shadow from this way. Then this is the back leg, so it goes up a bit. Down. And the ferrets are normally called a black-footed ferret if they have a black foot. And then for the back of the leg, let's do like a half a ball shape and make it wobbly, and then for the back leg, let's do this. And then a sideways curve and another curve. And then we can add the little toenails. That is looking quite funny. And then from here, let's do the tail. So they have quite a bit of a long tail. So we can also add a point about roughly here, as long as your tail wants to be. If you want a short tail, you can add a point here and curve around and end it there. I'll show you how to do that one. So once you're like about roughly near the point, you can go a little bit in, and then at the top go around, and then fluffy tail. And then we can add also some details in it with our pencil. Like little... And from here we can also make it a bit higher up, so it looks a bit more like a paw. And some on the face. You can do this however you want. And then we can also add some like little whiskers coming out of the face. So from here, 1 line, 2 line, and 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And you can also do as many of these if you want. I might add one more a bit like further away. It looks quite cute. Ow. Now we're done drawing our ferret, and we can also add like little bits of like colour to it. So like just use a pencil for this part. Here, and because it's called, I said it was called a black ferret, let's do a black foot. Like little lines. And inside the ear we can also add like little parts for inside the ear. Now we're done drawing our ferret. Bye guys, thanks for watching.